Hello everybody, welcome back to another edition of Vijeo Designer Training. I'm your host, Leandro Mada, and in this video what we're gonna see is how we can upload or download recipes into the HMI. So let's go to the software. So I hope you saw the previous video where I explained the recipes, how to get started with the recipe, how to work with them. So now what we're going to do is to try to download and upload the recipes into the HMI. So I have a HMIST5 or HMISTU range S5T. So what I'm going to do is to try to upload information, okay, for recipes. So if you take a look over here on recipes, you have possibility to download all, upload all, and here you have for individual recipes. So if you try to upload recipe, we came with this error message because right now there is no application on the HMIs to play with. So what I'm going to do is to download this application to the HMI, and I hope that I have the web gate on. Okay, and let me see variables, sharing, read and write. So what I'm going to do now is to download this to the HMI. Hopefully it will work. Download. And then we're gonna try to upload and download only the recipes to the HMI. Just wait for it. Just trying to download to the target here. It's booting up. It's downloading the application. I can probably put the other camera here. No, it's okay. Let's see if the WebGate, let's see if in my PC I have the latest WebGate for showing you this. So now it's booting up. Let's see if I can connect from this side. It's booting up. Okay. Just wanted to show you, but it doesn't seem start. I can't. Windows 65. Yeah. Reload in Internet Explorer mode. Okay, doesn't show anything. Let me just try something. Okay, so what I'm using is the Vijeo viewer. Okay, so I have now the access to the HMI, the one I connected with. So now what we can do is to try to download, for example, new recipes. So for example, here I'm going to create a new recipe, new, with the 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. So now I got this, save, and instead of re-download everything, what we can do is to download only. Let's see if I can minimize this. There we go. So here you can see I have 3. Download recipe group. Okay. It's complete. So what we need to do is to power cycle this. So just bear with me. It's power cycling. So I should have the recipe. Can probably load something different. Okay, as you can see now they have the new. In this case, see, I'm the new. In this case, I'm doing this way because I can probably go into another screen and re-download the group. That would probably avoid having the power cycle in my case. So imagine now that I have created a new thing or I want to make a backup. So let's just minimize this. So I got all the recipes. Okay. So let's imagine now this one, the new is gonna be 333 1 2 2. Okay, save this recipe. I'm going to, I think I mess up the name. Yeah, okay, no worries. This one was called something different. Overshoot 2. Shoot 2. Save. I'm going to create another recipe 777 and save. Now I got this. The information I have on the HMI will override this information I have here. So right click over here, upload, and here you have the possibility to replace existing or add to existing. So in my case, I'm going to replace. I want to have an actual backup. You can see I have all of them. They got this information now. Okay, you can see it's fine. Okay, I'm showing you in this way so you can see the actual HMI. I have an HMI next to me and using the web gate to communicate. And you're going to see this interface. I'm using the Vijeo viewer. Okay, so this is how you can do this. The possibility to export the actual recipes, and then if you want, you can use Excel and then import it again. So in this case, I'm using just one group. The other way is to go here and export and upload all. Okay, in case you have multiple groups. Okay, so this is how you can make a backup of the actual recipes that you have in your HMI, and then you can make a modification and download it into the HMI. And it's important that in my case I have only just one screen, but probably if you have another screen you can go back and then reload the recipe group, and that will solve the problem out. Otherwise you will need to power cycle it as I have done. Okay, so this is how we can make the upload and download the recipes using Vijeo Designer. This is also available for Vijeo Designer Basic. It's going to be the same thing. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you on the next one.